So it will be an MCQ type, and as well as multiple questions types. Questions will be asked in this exam. Case studies can be asked. So I'm going to discuss with you the syllabus first. This is the chapter.
So which chapters are coming in the unit test?
In the unit test, you will get complex number and quadratic equation.
Okay, sir.
So this is the chapter and these are the marks. So I'm going to discuss with you the syllabus of first term. That means term 1. The first chapter, this sets and function. So sets and function will be of 11 marks. In this chapter sets, chapter relation and function, number 2, algebra. So algebra will be asked of 13 marks. In algebra, complex number and quadratic equation will be asked. Then sequent and series will be asked. There are two chapters which are the part of algebra, and these chapters are of 13 marks. Third is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is of 6 marks. And in coordinate geometry, chapter straight line will come. Only straight line. This is a lengthy chapter as that of trigonometry. Lot of formulas, and sequent and series is again a lengthy chapter that we'll discuss later on. Then calculus will come. Calculus will come of 4 marks. Only the limit portion will come here, not derivative, only limit. Only one part of the chapter. There are 2 parts, limit and derivative. Only limit will be asked of 4 marks. Then statistics and probability. तो इसमें आपके पास सिर्फ स्टैटिस्टिक्स ही पूछा जाएगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं, ओनली स्टैटिस्टिक्स. So this will come in 6 marks. Internal assessment 10 marks. Total 50. So this is all about here. This we have finished. This is a lengthy portion after finishing this topic. Although linear inequalities, these are not the part of this course, but today is the last lecture on that. So after that, I'm going to start with sequent and series. Then we have, this is again a lengthy. These 2 are the short chapters. So we'll try to finish your course till 31st of August. Because rest of the chapters, trigonometry we have finished, that is not in this term. Binomial, induction we have finished, that is not of this term. Then we have finished with linear inequalities again, that is not of this term. So those those will be the part of the next term. Chalo, although we have finished, but
Sir, this list will be available on portal also.
it is available on CBSE website, but I have already, you can note it from here. It is available on the CBSE website.
Okay, sir.
This is term 1. It will be MCQ plus case studies. So this unit test will be of MCQ types. It will be on portal. So now we will give more stress on class tests, MCQs, class tests. Fine. इसको note कर लें. Then we will move to our content. Linear inequalities. Last examples of linear inequalities I'm going to finish with you people. As soon as you will note, please let me know. Can I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So come to example 19 of your NCERT miscellaneous exercise. In an experiment, a solution of hydrochloric acid is to be kept between 30 to 35 degrees centigrade. Now, I have to keep this between 30 to 35 degrees centigrade. What is the range of temperature in Fahrenheit if the conversion formula? I have to find out the range. The value of C is given to me, where C and F represent temperature in degrees centigrade and Fahrenheit. So which implies 30 less than So I have to represent what will be the range of the temperature in Fahrenheit. This is the range of temperature in centigrade. Clear? So first I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. So which implies this is 270. It goes so which implies divide both sides by 5. Add 32 on both sides. Divide by 5. So which implies range of temperatures in Fahrenheit is 86 to 95. Please note it down. Then we'll move to very important example, example 20.
Noted, sir.
Okay. अभी इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा. Example 20. A manufacturer has 600 liters of 12% solution of acid. 12% solution of 600 liters. This the manufacturer has. How many liter of 30% acid solution must be added to it? हमने ऐड करना है इसमें 30% सोल्यूशन. कितना ये हमें पता नहीं, तो मैं लिखूं लेट x लीटर ऑफ 30% solution will be added. So therefore 30% of x plus 12% of 600, आगे क्या कह रहा है? So that the acid content in the mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%. Clear? Acid content will be more than 15% but it should be less than 18%. Clear? So the situation is 15% of the total solution. Total solution is this, because 600 liter is the first solution. I have added x in that. Less than 30% of x plus 12% of 600, less than 18% of x plus 600. This is the range. What he is saying? He's saying this range must lie between, which range? This range must lie between where? Between 15% of the total solution and 18% of the total solution. Initially, I have 600 liters. When x is added in it, what will be my total solution? 600 plus x liter. This is my total solution. Clear? So 15% of the total solution should be less than 30% of x plus 12%, because 12% of 600 was initial solution. This is the new solution which I have added, which should be less than 18% of x plus 600. So I feel this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Now I want to solve it. अभी सब देखिए step by step. 15 over 100 is 2, less than 30 over 100 is to x plus 12 over 100 is to 600, which is less than 18 over 100 is to x plus 600. So every time on every numerator there is 100 acting as a denominator, so I'm going to cancel it out. So 15 is to, which is less than 30x plus, which is less than 18 is to x plus 600. So divide all sides by 3. 3 is to 5, 3 is to 10, 24, 6. So I have divided all sides by 3 to make it simple. Now this is 5x plus 3000, 10x plus 6x plus, now which implies less than, and the second thing is 10x plus 200, 2400 should be less than this. So we will solve it separately. So here subtract 3000 on both sides. Which implies 5x less than 10x minus 600. Subtract 10x from both sides. Minus 5x less than this. Now, when I will change the negative sign, when I will remove the negative sign from both the sides, the sign of inequality will change. This will be greater than, because negative sign is removed. So divide both sides by 5, x greater than 120. This is the first result. अभी दूसरे में आइए. Second is this one. This is subtract 2400 from both sides. Minus which implies subtract 6x from both sides. Which implies 4x less than minus this.
So instead of 800, there
I
will
think
be
I did some mistake
1200.
in solving this.
Sir, instead of minus 800, there will be 1200.
Let me see. Yes, this is 12 plus 12. This is plus 12. So which implies x should be less than 3. So this is the second. So from 1 and 2, the value of x is lying between 120 to 300. So this you have to find out. So that means you have to add the new solution between 120 liters to 300 liters to get your required result. So this much of solution This must be added to get required result. This is nonsense. So now you people have to try the application based questions of this exercise. 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to solve with you question number 11. इसको नोट कर लें और फिर मेरे को बता दें.
Noted, sir.
Swarit, have you noted?
Yes, sir, noted.
Okay. (11) A solution is to be kept between 68 to 77. Now see, 68 less than solution less than 77. What is the range of temperature in degrees centigrade if Celsius and Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by this? So my question is 68 less than Fahrenheit less than 77. I want to get the range in degrees centigrade. So I will substitute the value of F. So the best way is subtract 32. This is 3 less than 45, which implies multiply both sides by 5. This is 180. This is 9C. Divide all sides by 9. It is 20. So which implies the range of temperature in centigrade is between 20 to 25. So please try rest of the questions of exercise. Tomorrow I'm going to start with you the next chapter, sequent end series. This is a lengthy chapter. It will take another 10 days to finish this chapter, and you have to be very regular because the chapter is difficult. So side by side you have to complete your work, as well as you have to do the practice of the questions. Yes, the school is going to reopen for 10th, 11th and 12th. You people have to send your consent forms to your class teacher.
The
Gurpreet,
date.
this is not known to you.
I know, but I don't know on which date the school will reopen.
It will. Have you sent the consent?
Yes, sir.
Probably from Wednesday. So you will get the message for that.
So what about transportation?
Transportation, you have to deposit your fees in advance for the transportation. The buses will not pick you people from your home, but there will be some set route. You have to come to that route, and then from there you have to board in the bus. कुछ इस तरह
Is
से है.
it available in Adhampur?
बेटा ये नहीं मेरे को confirm. Your class teacher will speak to you, or you can better clarify from your class teacher.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Done, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. So इसको try करिए exercise को. Fine. तो कल से सीक्वेंट एंड सीरीज शुरू करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir.